It's that time of the year in Mumbai where the rains and the wind tend to be highly romantic, and though our Bollywood stars get to be on the silver screen enjoying all types of weather, our evergreen Anil Kapoor was looking oh so dashing as he, along with co-star Rajkumar Rao, was spotted together at a suburban hotel as part of promotions of the upcoming film Fanney Khan. We saw Anil Kapoor enjoying the windy weather in full filmy style as the photographers clicked away. It was when the two did a small jig together in the famous Anil Kapoor style that the fun moments just got better. Let's enjoy the weather as well as the dance with Anil and Rajkumar Rao, as the senior Kapoor could give any young actor a run for their money with his dancing skills.